Good day to all of you. My name is Cole from Trade Community, and today I will be doing the weekly forecast for you guys. In this week's forecast, we will be going over Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, ALGO, and EGLD. So sit back and relax, and let's enjoy the show. So looking right now at Bitcoin to start this one off, I'm actually seeing that we are trying to push it down. We were looking for Bitcoin to actually make a new low. After making a new low, reject the level that we wanted to keep on holding and achieve, and then come back down. I was actually looking for Bitcoin to come back down all the way to 44Ks, but they did not, to my surprise. Well, that's okay. That if they did not go there yet, I'm looking for them to still go to the 44.1Ks. If they don't go to the 44.1Ks, I'm actually looking for them to hold 42.7. If they don't hold that, I'm expecting a sweep of this low and then maybe another move as well. So I'm actually still expecting a smaller down move to the downside into these zones where I have my alerts as well. If they don't do that, what I'm looking for is I'm actually looking on the higher time frames for them to achieve the previous failure. If they can achieve that, I'm looking for them to make a higher low into a pump. Of course, if they fail to pump here, you're looking for them to break down and then finally hit this level if they don't do it immediately. If they actually achieve here, then you would of course get this nice pump. You would look for a higher move than this into the hold right here and then into the blast. Now of course here they can fail as well and start a downtrend again. That's all. At every point right here you can have a failure as well. Now where would I look on the lower time frames right now for the people that are actually looking at this straight after we have launched it? I'm actually right now looking for Bitcoin to achieve this bottom side right here. If they can achieve 44.6s, I'm looking for a higher low play into the pump, and then we are having this 4-hour play, right? So we first have a 1-hour play, and then we're looking for the 4-hour play to actually work as well. So look for Bitcoin to get above this, trade here for a little bit, come back down, hold it, and then do the pump. That would be very nice in my opinion for the longs. Now of course for the shorts, as I said before, I'm looking for this 44.1K level for some big PTs, and of course maybe some relongs. These would be limit trades, not limit order trades, but execution trades, as in I would take them only on the lower time frame. So yeah, how do I see this failure happen? Let's say that they start accumulating here, but they still keep on failing to properly achieve. Then you're looking for them to finally break down into the new low, and then you can start looking for longs as well. So I suppose that's gonna be it for Bitcoin. So what am I kind of expecting for next week? I'm expecting that they will test these levels, start to ping pong within here, maybe come back up, but probably fail to actually achieve this high and then break back down. Of course, on a bigger scheme of things, I'm still looking for this 31.6K level into the 48K rejection, and then we will see what will happen. So that's it for Bitcoin. Let's head over to the next pair. For my next pair, we have ETH perp, and look at ETH. It's looking okay. It's not looking the best, of course, as well. So what am I looking for right now? So they're currently holding this area. I'm actually mainly going to eye this higher low play right here at 3,500. This one is what they're currently holding, so in my opinion it's not that important. I'm more looking into a failure if they do so. If they don't do a failure, no problem, then we have to just go one time frame above. Let me put a line over there because we want to actually achieve that one. So what am I looking for ETH to do? If you want to go up, I'm looking for ETH to actually go up, achieve this failure, hold the midpoint, and then try to move to the upside. So actually going above here is going to be very important for us if we want to continue higher. Now how can they show you that they will probably make a new low is if they will just keep on rejecting this range. If they keep on rejecting this range, you're not looking for a new low, you're just looking for a failure, and then you're looking for a move down. For a move down, what do I mean with that? Then of course we're looking for this 3,500 area. In this 3,500 area, I will be looking for something like this, right? You're looking for this slow accumulation into the pump. Of course, what do you want to achieve then? Then you want to achieve 37.71. So I suppose that's already it for ETH. It's not that much of information, but those are the key areas I will be looking out for. Right now you can actually already start to look for a long because they actually swept a 4-hour origin move, and looks like they want to break out, hold the higher low right here at 37.96, and then if they can make a new high, this one will probably be in play. So that's it for ETH. Let's head over to the next one. Up next, we have XRP. We were looking at XRP in November again, and we were saying if we would break this, we would probably do a bottom side rejection into the new low. Looks like that one happened, so okay, pretty happy about that one. Let's remove everything though, because we don't really need it anymore. Now, what will I be looking for now? I actually want them to achieve 0.89. If they can try and achieve 0.89, it would give us a hunch that they might actually go on and enjoy the trend and actually go higher, right? If they don't do that, and if they keep on struggling, I'm actually looking for a sweep for the 87,000s, sorry, 0.78. So then I'm looking for this move into the low, and then maybe something like this. Now this can happen as well, where they just go touch this into the new low. That can happen as well, and then we try to move up and try to reverse, and then they can maybe fill again. Right, so this would be the bearish case scenario. Of course, the bullish case scenario is actually holding where we currently are. You don't really want to dip too deep, don't go too low. So try and hold this, look for maybe a long, but remember to take some quick PTs, because on this one, you know, we just went up and came straight back down without actually holding anything significant on the highs. So the first thing you want XRP to start achieving again is 0.86, and because it's 0.86, this would be your first PT if you were looking for longs over there. So let me maybe draw the zones. Let's say that they do hold here. How am I looking for, what am I looking out for ETH is actually going up again to 89, holding 86 this times, fly above to $1. After going to $1, hold this high range as well, and then you want to go to the upside. So that's kind of what I'm expecting for ETH. So let's see what this week will bring, and let's head over to the next pair. So up next we have ALGO USDT. Let's see what they are actually doing. Oh man, ALGO is actually breaking down more than all the other pairs are. So this looks kind of interesting. What I'm actually going to look for on it is, I know this is kind of deep, they'll probably won't go there yet, but these will be the two areas that I'm actually kind of interested in on the ALGO on the higher time frames. So I'm interested in 1.12 all the way into this one right here. There we go. So this would be a long zone if they do dip into that one. There we go. So now that we have the daily out of the way, we can start looking at the lower time frame, and let's have a look at this one. So what I want ALGO to do, is probably start to accumulate a little bit, make a move to the upside, reject it right here, reject the bottom side, come back down, try to hold it. If they fail, they can do something like this, mingle into the zone, and I kind of want them to go up all the way then to here. Now this can happen faster. You don't have to, you don't need this move, but I like when they hang around a little bit longer. What you then want to have is of course a high range hold, and then a pump to the upside. There we go. Now other than that, of course I can keep on going down, but I am expecting some kind of accumulation around this area. Let's have a look on the 1 hour if they're actually trying to. And on the 1 hour, you can see that they're attempting to reverse the trend, but we will see. Like it's looking now, it makes me think more that we will still get one more leg down at least. Maybe touch the 1.24, then get a big impulse up, and then the hold. Now, other than that, if they really don't hold this, then of course as a set, I will be looking at 1.082, because they are just dropping like, well, very, very hard. If they are actually holding this area, then of course you are looking for 1.56. So that's already it for ALGO. Let's head over to the next one. For our next pair, we actually have another pair that's kind of getting crushed. On the higher time frames, what I'm actually looking for on EGLD is 1.98. If they can go to 1.98, I'll be very interested in looking for longs. at this bottom side, all right, here. It's also the failure to the left, so that's always a nice thing to look at when looking for higher time frame longs. Now, other than that, there's not that much to look at. What I wanted to say is I want them to at least try and achieve 253, and that's still a mile away. Of course, they have made a new low, so it's possible that they will actually start to accumulate here and then maybe go up. What you locally want them to re-achieve is actually this one, 237. So if they can go up to 237, come back down, hold the higher low, then you want them to go to 253, which will be more important to try and achieve than the 237 level. If they of course fail right here, then you're looking for new lows again, and then probably look for a sweep of this area here to the left, and then maybe a delta move if they are able to. If they are not able to, of course they will be just continuing down into the area where we are looking for them, where we will be looking for longs even more, because this is a very nice zone in the higher time frames. Well, this is just, you know, we've been here before, so I'm actually looking for a sweep of at least 216 before I would be interested in longs on this one. Will they, if they start accumulating, if they will achieve 237, yeah, okay, sure, then I might look again for the longs. So guys, that is it for the forecast.
That's it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you want to get free coaching from one of our top traders, please make sure to check out our Trader 10 supporters page on how to get this free coaching. Thank you very much and see you later.